everyone, it's Gillian and today I'm going to be doing some extreme slime makers on some super old slime. This slime is over a year old and they are slimes that I bought from Instagram slime shops, and these are some of my favorite videos to watch at the moment, and I love the challenge of having to give a slime a bit of a makeover. So because these slimes are so old, I had no idea what I was going to find. So this first one was extremely melted and I could not tell what the slime was originally. I think it may have been a cereal slime because of the large foam beads, but I decided that I didn't want these in the final slime, so I just scooped them out, which was super easy because they were all at the top because the slime was so old. So as you can see here, this slime is very melted. Now, like I said, I don't know what this original slime was, what texture it was, or what ingredients are in this slime. That's also what makes this makeover kind of difficult, is I don't know what ingredients I used in these slimes, so I don't know what the end result's going to be. So for this one, I decided to add some lotion just to soften it up a little bit, and then I added some white food coloring because the foam beads had discolored the slime a little bit and I wanted to brighten it up. And then I added some shaving foam. Now this was interesting. When I added the shaving foam, it started to reactivate, as you can see here, and I was a little bit confused by this. So if you know why it's doing this, please let me know in the comments below, but I found it quite interesting. So I added some shaving foam and this expanded the size of the slime, which I liked because it was quite small. Then I added some fragrance because this slime didn't have any scent. I don't know if it just worn off or it wasn't scented originally. I really can't remember. And then I just went ahead and activated the slime. So now that I have a super soft and somewhat fluffy slime, I decided to keep this slime cereal themed. So I just added some little colorful marshmallow foam pieces, I think that's what they're called, and a really cute little pink cookie charm just to pop on top. So this is the slime before and this is the slime after. We have a total transformation. This slime has a brand new life. I'm so happy with it, and let me know what you think of this slime makeover in the comments below. For this next slime makeover, I really wanted to challenge myself to really change this slime. So I wanted a different theme, different colors, and even a different texture of slime. So the first thing I had to do was to assess what state this slime was in. And as you can see, it's basically just liquid with small and large foam beads, and it's a light blue. So I decided to leave the foam beads in this slime just because I could not fish them out, and I thought it would add a cool texture. So I decided to add some foaming hand soap and some lotion first, and I mixed this in. Next, I decided to split this slime into two different batches, and I wanted one side to be a really pretty purple just because it's easy to switch from a blue to a purple. I couldn't go for a whole new color, so I decided to stay within the same bluish purple family. So I made this slime purple and then activated it, and the other slime I decided to make it a bit more vibrant but to still keep it that pretty blue. So I just added a touch more blue food coloring and then activated this one as well. So now I have my two activated slimes. I decided to transform these slimes into a cloud texture. Now I wasn't sure how this was going to go because, like I said, I have no idea what is originally in these slimes. I cannot remember what slimes these were, what texture they originally were, so I wasn't sure how this was going to go. But starting off, I just activated my snow powder with water, and then I went ahead and transformed each slime into a cloud slime. Now this was definitely very interesting. I found that this slime felt quite wet. I don't normally like wet cloud textures, so I don't know what this slime originally was. It still had an amazing drizzle, but it left quite a bit of residue. And also because it transformed into a cloud slime, it was dropping those foam beads that were originally in the slime, but that was okay because every time it would drop a foam bead, I would just pick it out because I didn't really want it there anyway. Oh my gosh, how amazing does that look? Oh, I love cloud slime so much. Okay, so now that I have my two different colors of cloud slime, I decided I wanted this to be kind of like a marble effect. So I just laid each color just a little bit at a time until I got a really pretty marble effect. As you can see here, you can see the colors peeking through. Then I topped it off with some really pretty purple iridescent flakes, some pastel purple and pink and blue sprinkles, and then of course a rainbow charm. So this is the slime before. I wouldn't even call this slime. I don't know what this was. And this is it after. Oh my gosh, it got a total makeover. I'm so happy with how this one turned out. I feel like they couldn't be any more opposite, the before and after, and I'm so happy with it. So let me know what you think of this slime makeover in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed today's slime makeover video. Let me know in the comments below which of the two slime makeovers was your favorite. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to click the red subscribe button before you leave so you never miss a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!